Puerto Los Cabos. Hi, KT Morgan here, your host of Cabos Finest Real Estate. In today's episode, we take you to Puerto Los Cabos to look at this gated community and tour 5 amazing properties currently for sale. Puerto Los Cabos is one of our favorite master plan projects. It began over 20 years ago with the huge idea of bringing a world-class marina to a private gated project with golf, restaurants, resorts, biking trails, beach clubs, and every imaginable amenity for both full and part-time residents. What was once a bold idea is now one of the finest golf and marina projects available in North America. Come along as we go inside 5 of these great properties currently for sale. First up, we bring you Casa Arroyo, offered at $3.499 million. This is currently the least expensive custom-built villa in Puerto Los Cabos. This exceptional property offers magnificent views of the Sea of Cortez and the Nicklaus golf course, with a prime southeast orientation. The residence is perfectly situated to capture the breathtaking surroundings, provide a blank canvas to paint your perfect home in paradise. With nearly 5,000 square feet of indoor living space and ample outdoor space, this is a great option. Next is Casa Arroyo 42C, offered at $4.5 million. This exceptional single-level 5-bedroom residence, located in Altea community, sits on a corner lot boasting unparalleled ocean and marina views. The expansive floor plan encompasses 5 generously appointed bedrooms, providing ample space for relaxation. Bathe in natural light through each large windows, which gives you vistas, ensuring every waking moment is accompanied by awe-inspiring scenery. Next is Casa Agave, offered at $3.65 million. Casa Agave features a wide-open floor plan facing the pool and the ocean, and a large pool deck with an infinity edge. A long lap pool with a unique swim out from the primary suite patio. You can get out of bed and step right into your pool. The large living space is flanked by 2 en-suite bedrooms on either side. Located within Fundadores section with their amazing beach club for an added attraction. This is West Enclave 9, offered at $7.8 million. Immerse yourself in this awe-inspiring experience of splendor and comfort. This unparalleled sanctuary of luxury awaits you. West Enclave 9, the Ritz-Carlton Reserve, is a true hidden gem with a spectacular ocean view. This is a second-row property sitting on the corner with privileged access to the beach in one of only 27 villas designed by the Mexico City-based architect Fernando de Haro. This is an extraordinary 6-bedroom, 8 and 2.5 bathrooms with astonishing views, Palmilla Point and beyond. And finally, we bring you Casa Oliver, offered at $13.9 million. Welcome to Casa Oliver, an exceptional oceanfront villa, a short beach stroll from the Ritz-Carlton. More than a family vacation home, this mini resort is designed for discerning travelers seeking relaxation and luxury. Featuring 7 beautifully appointed bedrooms with en-suite baths, Casa Oliver ensures comfort and privacy for all guests. Enjoy wellness amenities, including state-of-the-art fitness center, on-site massage therapy salon. A private screening room is perfect for movie nights, while generous pool decks and viewing terraces create idyllic spaces for entertaining. And this concludes our look inside of Puerto Los Cabos. Can I ask you a favor? If you like what we're doing, could you subscribe to our free newsletter or like us on YouTube and give us a review? This will help us keep bringing you our insider's guide. Also, we're looking forward to representing you to find your perfect paradise. After all, we are Cabos Finest Realtors. Thank you for watching.